3. Grounding the end mill. Loosen the handle, turn the screw anti-clockwise by 3 to 5 circles. Dismount the sinker cutter holder and change to end mill attachment. Lock the handle. Reset the machine to 0. Use the proper clect according to the end mill. Note not to tighten the clect. Put the end mill into the clect. Turn one of the end blade in horizontal position. Tighten the handle. Loosen the screw. Adjust the position of ally block 1 mm to 5 mm in front of end mill. Lift up the located screw from the slot to turn the clect holder. Adjust the pilot pin position and put the point into one slot of end mill. Note, when the pin point touches the end of the end mill, the end cutting edge should be horizontal. Loosen the handle. Turn the holder to a degree according to the relief angle of helical blade. Lock the handle. Loosen the handle. Adjust the holder position to locate the pin point 0.5 to 1 mm to the end of mill. Loosen swing handle and turn back the wheel. Pull the clect holder. Let the pin point touch the root of helical slot of end mill. Switch on the power. Feeding the wheel. Stop feeding when the wheel touches the end mill. Draw back the clect holder. When drawing back, keep the wheel touch the end mill. Take down the wheel feeding graduation. Change to the other slot of the end mill and ground it to the same graduation. Switch off the power. Loosen the screw. Dismount the ally block. Loosen the handle and make the end mill face the wheel. Lock the handle. Adjust the clect holder to proper position according to the back relief angle of cutter end. Put the located screw into the slot and make the cutter edge in horizontal position. Loosen the handle. Adjust the clect holder position. Let the end mill close to the wheel 0.5 to 1 mm. Loosen the handle. Adjust the located screw. Let the grounding travel equal the length of the end blade. Switch on the power. Swing the clect holder while feeding the wheel. After grounding the end blade, remember the graduation and draw back the wheel. Lift up the set screw. Turn the clect holder to set the other blade horizontally. Then lock the set screw. Swing the clect holder and feeding in the wheel to the graduation of the first one. Turn to the other blade in the same method. After all blades are ground, switch off the power and dismount the end mill.